This card force is somewhat impressive and not too difficult to do. It's called the rollover force. And I'm just going to shuffle the cards here, and then I'm just going to ask the spectator as I riffle through the cards like that just to tell me when to stop. Okay, they say stop right there. I'm just going to put these over here, push their card out where they stop me at, and they can go ahead and pull that card out of the stack randomly where they stop me. 7 of hearts, and of course that's the force card. So the rollover force is just having your force card on top. You can shuffle. As long as you keep your force card on top, and you're just holding the cards in your left hand and riffling down with your thumb, saying just tell me when to stop. They can stop you at anywhere. And then your right hand comes in, you're dumping wherever they told you where to stop, that first half of cards into your right hand, and then with your left hand and right hand, you can just push those over into your right hand, and then pushing that top card, because that is the top card. It looks like you cut the cards where they told you to stop, but you're just putting the top card, top packet in your hand, and then you out jog it. You can put these cards back on top and just say, go ahead and take that card where you stopped me at, and that's the 7 of hearts, the force card. Okay, one more time. They say, just go ahead and tell me when to stop. They say stop right there. Say, okay, I'll just put the half in my hand. That's where you stop me. And then, boom, take that card, and that's the rollover force. Pretty easy to do. It's just stop, right hand comes in, drop those cards over, roll them over, and then push the top card up, put the rest of the cards back on top, and then say take that card where you stopped me, and that's the 7 of hearts. And that's the rollover force. I can show you one more time. Let's use a blue card so you can see what's happening. So it's the red deck. We have the force card on top, just different color now. So you can see, just, that's where they stop you. Drop those into your right hand, roll them over. That's the top card. Take it out, boom, that's the force card. And that's the rollover force. Please let me know, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think.